Okay, now we will look into the basic idea of my project. Okay, so this is a small size portable vending machine that I have designed by using by recycling a box. So I have created the design is based on the usual vending machine. So let's look inside of this vending machine. So when we open it up, so we can see there's a partition inside the vending machine. So the first partition is for the item, and the one that is at the back side of the box is for the power supply space, and the front here is for the item to drop, and then we can pick up through this hole. Okay, let's look beside the box. So the power supply for this vending machine is by using either batteries or power banks, and the system is empowered by using Raspberry Pi or Arduino. So that is all from me. Thank you.